The Worth vacuum brake bleeder allows a single technician to complete the task of bleeding the air from the hydraulic brake system. The Worth vacuum brake bleeder kit includes a brake bleeder tank, an auto reservoir filler, 3 different hose lengths, and an assortment of fittings to suit most popular makes of vehicles. Connect the suction hose to the brake bleeder tank. Plug in the workshop air line, making sure that the air supply is between 4 and 8 bar. Turn on the airflow tap, then push down on the blue button to start the suction. Remove the brake master cylinder reservoir cap and suck out all the old brake fluid, then wipe the reservoir clean. Fill the auto reservoir filler and attach to the brake master cylinder reservoir. Locate the brake bleed nipple and wipe clean. Fit the brake bleeder with the correct fitting. Start the vacuum brake bleeder and open the brake bleeder nipple on the vehicle. Watching the flow of fluid through the bleeder hose, once the new clean fluid is evident, close the bleeder nipple on the vehicle, turn off the vacuum brake bleeder and remove the brake bleeder. Repeat this process for all 4 wheels. Remove the auto filler from the brake master cylinder reservoir, top up fluid if required, and refit reservoir cap. The Worth vacuum brake bleeder enables you quick, clean, one-man operation, fast, time-saving bleeding of the brake line system and simultaneous replacement of the old brake fluid. The refill unit drastically reduces the likelihood of getting air in the brake lines. Connection to almost any brake nipple with universal adapter set. Suitable for all car brake systems, hydraulic clutch systems and most hydraulic couplings in trucks and buses. The one-man Worth vacuum brake bleeder kit.